Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of deleting a bookmark in Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. To begin, open the Chrome browser on your PC. Step 2. On the top, click on All Bookmarks. Once Chrome is open, look for the Bookmarks bar at the top of the browser window. Click on All Bookmarks to access your bookmarked pages. Step 3. Select a bookmark. From the list of bookmarks, find the one you wish to delete. Click on it to select it. Step 4. Right-click on it. After selecting the bookmark, right-click on it. This will open a contextual menu with various options. Step 5. Click Delete. In the contextual menu, locate and click on the Delete option. Confirm the deletion, if prompted. And there you have it. By following these 5 simple steps, you can easily delete a bookmark in Chrome on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more helpful tech tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.